In this video, I'm going to show you how to open up SketchUp and some of the basic things you need to remember when using SketchUp. To open it up, you find on the desktop it says SketchUp 2017. At that point in time, it asks you to choose a template. So you'll go over to where it says Choose Template, and you want to select one of these choices. Make sure you pick a selection that says inches, woodworking works, or 3D printing. I'm going to stick with woodworking. Go ahead and click Start using SketchUp once you select one of the choices that has inches. So I'm going to go ahead and use woodworking and start using SketchUp. At this point in time, it will open up SketchUp. You may have pop-ups. If you have anything, just ignore them. And then at this point in time, you have the grid with the axes, and then you have the toolbar on the side. Instructor is really handy. It shows you what the tool that you have selected and how it works. Right now I have the Select tool, which is the arrow tool, which is found on the toolbar here. When you open up SketchUp, that's going to be your automatic tool that you have. One thing that you need to know about SketchUp is it gives you an axis, and each axis represents a dimension. So when we've talked about dimensions when sketching, it's the same thing. And you can even see that if you go to Camera and you go to Standard Views, you have a choice for ISO, and it automatically gives you that same visual that we see when we draw on isometric paper. The blue line represents height, the red lines represent width, and the green lines represent depth.